It is day number 48 of the self-quarantine today here in Los Angeles. It's going to be a very short video, but it's going to be an informative one. And I'm going to start it out by talking about the coronavirus here in Los Angeles. The number of cases and deaths are still rising, but we haven't seen any significant spikes as of late. But experts do predict that in the next coming weeks, we might see that, and we might see numbers like we're seeing in New York, Michigan, and in Florida, where the coronavirus is just spreading to a crazy amount of numbers. Now, talking about the situation in California, the governor of California today earlier announced a new executive order ordering the closures of all beaches in the California coast. The reason why is because over the weekend during the heat wave, too many people were going into the beaches and were not practicing social distancing. Most of them were not even wearing masks. It was just too many people there, and it could possibly hurt all of those people that can possibly get the coronavirus. So he decided, with the suggestion of every single medical expert, that this was the best thing. A harsh thing, but it was necessary in order to the well-being of the safety and health of the Californians, even though a lot of people in California don't think of it that way. I think of it that way. We have to stay home. Also, regarding the United States, it's just announced earlier today that over 60,000 people have died so far because of coronavirus. And the numbers look like it's going to get worse before it gets even better. And then lastly, talking about the unemployment, it has just been announced ever since the start of this pandemic and people have been filing for unemployment, over 30 million people have filed for unemployment or lost their jobs, meaning that it's already equaled almost to the Great Depression. So that is very serious numbers that we're seeing, and it looks like we could be hitting a recession very soon, and it's going to be very hard to get back unless we get back to work. But we have to make sure that it is safe to do so, because if we do it too early, then all it's going to happen is the coronavirus is going to spread even further, and then we might have the second wave much earlier than anticipated. So lastly, that is it. Like I said before, it's going to be a very short video, but an informative one. So everyone, I hope you guys are listening to the stay-at-home order. Practice social distancing. If you do go outside, wear the mask or any type of face cover. So stay strong, stay safe.